my name's Kirk Adams. I fell in love with cassette decks back in the 70s when I was a whole 20 years old. I got my first one. It was a Sharp. And ever since then, I've been trying to get one, and I finally found one, and it's upstairs. However, I found some others that were in need of some service, and that's what we're going to work on the channel. Also, I have no formal electronics training. The only thing I have going for me is I worked at Goddard Space Flight Center for NASA for 20 years, starting in the mid-70s on forward. I spent a lot of time with magnetic tape and all kinds of different tape drives. So I know a bit about that and a bit about cleaning them and maintaining them and that kind of thing. And I'm going to share some of that with you as well. I got some pictures and some things I used to work on to kind of weave through the part about cleaning or getting your cassette deck back and running. But also, while we talk, we'll discuss a little bit of everything. You'll see mostly my hands most of the time working on it. But, you know, story now and then to kind of liven it up. It can be a little, you know, boring. But, yeah, so let me show you a few things, and then we'll be getting started. Yeah, so here's a couple of things I got acquired over the years. I worked on upper atmosphere research satellite back in the day. If I can get the autofocus to work. What is the camera? It's just not good. Anyway, so I worked on that, and has my name on it. They gave it was a shuttle actually launched. It launched off the space shuttle. A high altitude photograph of the Cape back in the day. It's an old picture, probably from the 60s. A couple things. I wrote a paper called the System Test Risk Assessment Measure, and was able to present it at a few conferences back in the day. One more. I went to the University of Maryland, go Terps, and got my degree in Information Systems and Management. And one or two things back in the day. Technical Excellence Award. And for my paper I wrote, it was the first paper in software testing that ever won a computer science degree or computer science award at my company. So that was quite nice. But I have some stuff, I have some other pictures online and things which will weave into the videos as we go. Hey there folks, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on what you see here. We've got more episodes coming real soon. Look forward to hearing from you in the comments below.